Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme GT 2. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and click on Receive next to Send at the bottom of your Realme. Also on Realme, you need to click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Select Close this window and go back to an Android. You can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above to select files that you wish to send. You can also just click on the chosen ones. Now tap on Send at the bottom next to Selected. So sorry, misclick. And click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. You can select the best connection way for you. For example, scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Realme located next to input key, selecting while using or only this time, and simply pointing your device's camera at the code in order to connect. You can also just click on input key section and type in all of those numbers. Then connect using Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!